Hello, everybody. We are outdoors again. If you remember when I did the B case, the 2021 Hot Wheels B case unboxing, I was outside because the snow hadn't fallen. The little secret is I recorded both of these unboxings, one right after the other. So this is the C case unboxing after I just finished. I don't know, why am I trying to show this to you? The B case unboxing. So I'm recording this one, saving it for a little bit later, but while there's no snow on the ground, why don't we keep this outdoors, right? Right, so let's open this up. Just came from Mattel. They are the ones that send these cases over. If they sent me the B case and the C case together, it means that we might see these both released at your local Walmart, Target, Kroger, whatever. All within probably a few weeks or so of each other, right? So let's just get right to it. I'm very excited to see what is in this case. See what's the repeat from the B case, and since I just did the B case unboxing, it should be easy for me to remember. So let's get to it. We will start with the 69 Chevelle. This is the tuned Chevelle. Pixel Shaker, also somewhat of a tuned. Yeah, well, this is an X-Racers. This is the tuned. And this is the Fig Rig. These two are new to the C case. So is the Blade Raider. 68 Mustang is a repeat. And the head gasket. Oh, look at this thing. Actually, that's kind of cool paint on that thing. That looks very much helmety. It is new for 2021. That's kind of cool. Just the paint job on that is pretty good. The casting is obviously clever, but not my cup of tea, as they like to say. Ooh, all right. 80 El Camino. That is looking pretty good, but that's from the B case. The Roger Dodger is from the. That's new to this case. What am I saying? Magic 8 Ball is the theme, and this would be, if it had real riders, a super treasure hunt. And if this is one of the things that I think is kind of new, is you've got the 8 Ball deco here on the side, but you've also got something fun here. And it looks like there's like a little on the card here. There's some sort of art. We'll do this when we do the highlight video. We'll definitely have a look at that because this one says don't count on it. So it's got an 8 Ball theme, which is kind of cool. So we'll put that over on the highlights, and we'll also put this in the highlight bin to open up when I do the highlight video. It is the 2017 Nissan GTR R35 in yellow, kind of a, it looks like then and now. So we're going to have obviously some sort of skyline, I don't know if it's in this case or not, running this theme, right? Or running that deco. All right, let's move this one off to the side. I was trying to think if there's anything else to go in the highlights. No. Ooh, another highlight. 2016 Ford GT race car, Borla deco. That is awesome. Wow, that is awesome. Highlight bin, you go. Nissan GTR and the Hollinator. Finish off that batch, or that little swing. Okay, Eon Motors Thresher. This is the second version, right? The first version, actually it's the third, right? First version was the Basics 2020, then there was a Target exclusive. Now we've got this one. There's the Nash, the Legends winner that was also in the B case, and the Linster prototype glow in the dark. It ain't dark, so I ain't gonna show you how it glows. Some would even say it glows. Party Wagon. Corvette Grand Sport, 69 Chevelle. I could do the rest of the unboxings to the tune of Rudolph if you want me to, but I won't. I promise, and you guys will all thank me. Oh, and now we're running with the theme of the Rockin' Santa Sleigh. All of the Xmas Delivery, Christmas Delivery 2020. I'll stop singing. Surf and Turf. Look at this. Honda Civic Si, the casting returns, not considered a new model. That's interesting, but it is totally redone. You know what? I'll pull out the, when I do the highlight video, I'll pull out the previous version of this casting, which I believe I've got from Boulevard, from the old Boulevard, and we'll compare and contrast because this is just modified, I guess, but not considered new. Very interesting, but beautiful. Cannot wait to open. I'm looking at the years here on the base. Yeah, 2000 and then 20. No, I think it says 2000, 20. So it was originally done in 2000, and now we've got it this way. That I love that era of Civic for sure. Pretty cool. All right. Dodge van. We saw that from the B case. We also saw the Volvo 850 Estate. Love both of those. And check this out. Surf and School Bus looking cool. Metal over plastic, I think. Maybe that's been modified. Not entirely sure. Cool looking stuff. Nash, Volvo, Tricera truck. Just leave it at that. Donut Drifter. Is that a new donut car? No, it's not new. I haven't kept up on my donut cars. And then there's the Volkswagen Baja Bug. We saw that in the B case. Really need to keep up on my donut cars. All right, Cloak and Dagger again. There's another Civic and the Speed Dozer. Looking mean. Formula Solar, Quick Bite, celebrating the New Year's, and then there's another Jag F-Type. It was also in the B case. Between that and the Civic, those are some nice, very realistic new models, right? Definite candidates for best new model, but we're so early on in the year, we got a lot more to do, and I see already another candidate right there. Okay, we've seen that van already. We've seen this Porsche already from the B case. We have not seen this. BMW M3 GT2, welcome back, my friend. You've been modified. You don't have a plastic spoiler anymore. It is now metal. That's okay. Love the wheels on this one. Simple deco. Digging it. You go into the highlight pile for sure. Liking what I'm seeing there. Gotta make some space here. Corvette, nice to see you. Porsche, nice to see you again. El Camino, nice to see you again. All of you guys, B case models. There's a lot of C case. There's that BMW once again. Dang, that is awesome. Love that casting. Lethal Diesel, that's new, it looks. Yep, new for 2021. Very track friendly. Trying to figure out the theme there on that thing. And then there's the Party Wagon again. Zombot, we already saw you. Head Gasket, we've already seen you. Cool Combi, we love seeing you. The Hello Kitty Cool Combi. Bound to be a hit. Bound to be a hit. Zombot again from the B case. Land Rover Defender also from the B case. Looking good in that color. Dig it. All right, got another new car that I'm digging. So there's the Batman Batmobile. That's the more what do you call that? It's the cartoonish one, right? I don't know what you call it, but looking good. Hollinator, and then here, Porsche 935. Look at this. Now, I'm very interested in this one. Magnus Walker, deco. I think he showed this one as well. It's getting that 277 deco. I think he owns a 935, but I don't think he has one in this deco. And I think he's hinted that he's going to try and match it in real life. Hot Wheels created this one. I'm very interested in this 935 because I have a good friend, Rod Chong, who's got one of these, and some of the coolest deco you've ever seen. It was at SEMA in 2019, and I'd love to see Hot Wheels use this casting to do his car. That's another conversation for another time. All right. Ooh. Oh my gosh, this is a nice case. There's that Porsche again. Subaru WRX STI, looking pretty cool in yellow. I think I saw this is going to be a Zamax soon. Check this out. Lancia Delta Integrale. We saw this one debut on 3D Botmaker, right? The prototype of this one. There's the finished product, and it looks fantastic. Highlight pile, of course. If any of you disagree with that, we'll do that. We'll put the Subaru in there too. It's the big highlight pile. Twin Mill. Subaru again, and the 68 Mustang. We've seen those. You guys will have to tell me if I've encountered the treasure hunt and not realized it yet. Hot Wheeler, Clip Rod, and the Heavy Hitcher. Good, another Lancia. Loopster, the roller coaster car, the Heavy Hitcher, and then another Lancia. Cool. Oh, and look, this is just a lot of blue here. Jaguar F-Type again, and then the 17 Lamborghini Euros. Two of those, so that's the second color. We saw it in yellow, right, in 2020. So highlight bin you go. And let's finish this off as the box is trying to pop up. Diora 3 in black, that's pretty sharp. There's that Batmobile again, and there is the Lethal Diesel. Did I miss the regular treasure hunt? Maybe I did. If I did, you guys will let me know, and I'll figure it out, put it in the highlights. But let's have a look at what the highlights are going to be. Lamborghini for sure. Subi, you go in there. Lancia, you're a definite. Is that the best of the case? Or is it this guy? Maybe that's the best of the case, the Porsche 935. Real excited about that one. BMW M3 GT2, nice to see you back. Is this the best of the case? The Honda Civic Si? That might be too. I don't know. This one is really sharp. The 2016 Ford GT Race. Like the Nissan GTR. You guys see a nice theme here. This is a rich case, and then not keen on that Super, but what are you gonna do, right? You know, you can't win them all. All the basics make a good Super. All right, I like this case. We'll do a highlight video. You guys tell me what you think. Anything else you want in the highlights? In the highlights video, you guys let me know. Thanks, everybody. Going to warm up my hands. Bye.